It's not hot right now. It's actually 4 p.m. exactly. Looking at the radar right before I left, I think it said it was like 66 degrees, so it's a nice cool ride. So we're gonna get at it. Exactly 4 o'clock right now, pulling out, heading to the house. I come to work one direction and I go home another. Basically, it's for a timing factor. In the morning, I bring the 190 in, and the main reason is it's the quickest route. It's really, really quick, light along the water, drops me off very close to my job. Very convenient route to take. But as you will see here today, I am in fact going to take the 33 to the 198. It's a different way to go home. I loop around a little bit closer to the house. It gets me closer to the house. It's not a good way to come here in the morning because it makes me come through neighborhoods. And thank you. And it just takes a lot of time to come through the whole neighborhood. So just jump right on the throughway, get it done. But on my way home, I take this way, and it's mainly because that way that I come into work is the main way of everyone leaving out of the city, and so that is extremely high on traffic. Oh, I love that sound. Very high traffic at this time of the day. I just watched the video or the news this morning, and one of the topics that they were talking about was that the city of Buffalo is not what it used to once be as far as population. I think our last count had us somewhere like 200,000 people in the city, where they were talking some 50 years ago, this city was posting somewhere like 600,000 people. So the city has definitely shrunk in size from what it once was when it was a booming metropolis. And that because I am out of the neighborhood now. There's a biker up there coming toward me. I'm out of the neighborhood now, and I'm getting on the 33 East, heading home. Right around this time, this will start to get busy as well. Downtown is behind me, and it's 4 o'clock, so a lot of people are getting out of work right about now. Surprisingly, there's hardly anybody out here right now. But like I said, it is just 4 o'clock, so they're just now getting out of work. They're probably just getting in their cars. 4:15, this is completely backed up. You can't move. I mean, it's literally 55 miles an hour on this whole thing, getting around this whole thing. This is not where I want to be sitting. This is one of those tests. I'm about 78, 79, 80 miles an hour. I did raise my voice level a little bit, but I don't feel at all that I'm screaming. Just talking a little bit louder than I was a moment ago because I was moving a little faster, and I just wanted to, I'm mic checking right now. That's basically what this whole video is. yeah, we're gonna have a little cake, ice cream, pizza wings, buffalo wings, folks, buffalo wings. All that's happening in about a few minutes. So we will be having a great time with that. Clouds don't look so bad over here. I am still in Buffalo. I travel quite a bit, but I was in basically South Buffalo a few minutes ago, and this is where is considered North Buffalo right now. And I see berries and cherries.